Good morning, guys. It is May 1st. And I just got to work. It's a rainy drive today. Hoping we don't have severe weather. There is a chance of it. We do live in the south. So, we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed, there won't be. Got some new jewelry. Super excited. I am getting back to doing what I love, wearing what I love, and just learning to love myself again. These last 2 years in Mississippi have been a roller coaster. I've had 3 jobs here. One of them, I didn't like. Some of the people I worked with made it very hard to go to work most days. I was just so unhappy. And I just felt like I was in the wrong position. So, my second job I had out here, I loved. And it was so fun. I liked the people, I liked the environment. It was great, honestly. My third job here, I love. I'm currently in the medical field. I am in school. And I will be done with school very shortly. Super excited. And I will share that process and journey with you guys. Life has been crazy. Big move planning. Lots of things to factor in. But right now, I head into work. Okay, guys. One more thing. I'm going to add some clips from my drive to work. In the vlog, I am... Ooh, it's hot in the car. It's very muggy today. I don't like it. I don't like the humidity. I think that's one of my biggest adjustments out here in Mississippi.
Switch it up!
Okay, guys, so I'm off work. I have my hair up now. I'm waiting for the kids to come out, and we are going to Walmart. We're having chili dogs, and I need to pick up a couple things, so join us. They are redoing our Walmart, so got some hot dog buns. I'm trying to remember what else we need. Okay, so we just got back from Walmart. I just got hot dog buns, puppy food, and some stuff that I needed for school. I'm almost done with school. Super excited about that. For watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.